So for you Karma guys, you see that cracked frame right there? What Karma is this exactly?
2003 GS6.
2003 GS6. I have never seen a cracked frame, and you've never seen a cracked frame, right? This is the first cracked frame, and this is a Karma service place. But interesting. There's no sign of body work or body shop. Nope, they've never even done an alignment on this car before. Yeah, that's a first. That's what it should look like over there. Nice. And it should not look like that. And there's no evidence of a body shop taking clips out, and there's no polishing compound.
It looks like it's coming from the welds. The actual welds just came undone and broke.
So that's the Karma.
You have the sway bar.
Right.
This is maybe putting a lot of stress on the welds, which may become a recall. Who knows?
You know what you're going to be looking at from now on every time they go up in the air.
Yeah.
But this is the Karma. Oh, they got a... I've never seen a sticker license plate before. But this is the Karma for you guys who aren't familiar with Karma. So this is the GS6 Karma. There's I think the older regular version down below. So there's the old, does that one say Fisker on it? Okay, so that's the old 2012, because it says Fisker right here. And it's the Karma, the EDR. And that's the Karma, but they're different. That's a later year. This one has the B&W. Someone's gonna have to correct me if this is the year before they change over to the B&W platform. I'll see you guys later.